first step in creating a graph will be selecting an algorithm from the top. For node count ratio and class count ratio, we will need both a node frequency and a ratio threshold. The Calculate Number of Nodes button will tell us how many nodes we can expect to be in a graph when using these thresholds. The Results Preview button will generate a graph telling us how many nodes we can expect at various thresholds. For node count ratio and class count ratio, a 3D graph is generated which can be rotated by clicking and dragging. Hovering over a data point will reveal information about that data point. You can zoom in and out of the graph by using your mouse wheel. There's a key in the upper right for your reference, and you can close out of this menu by using the Close button in the upper left. The Generate from Data button will generate a graph, and you can collapse the control panel by clicking the arrow at the bottom. You can rearrange the nodes by clicking and dragging. Hovering over a node will reveal supplemental information about that node. You can zoom in and out of the graph by using your mouse wheel, or by using the Zoom In and Zoom Out buttons at the bottom left. A key in the bottom right explains the color coding for the graphs. When you want the control panel to reappear, simply click the arrow at the top of the screen. The horizontal distance radio buttons will allow us to increase or decrease the distance between levels of nodes as needed. When you would like to generate a graph with the other algorithms, it will work in the same manner, except we only need one threshold. The results preview for these algorithms will be a 2D bar graph, where the y-axis is the number of nodes expected and the x-axis is the threshold used. Hovering over a bar will reveal information for this test case. The Close button in the upper left will close this menu. We can generate a graph in the same way. The Download Graph Data button will reveal links to download a CSV data file or image files for this graph. If you have a graph you like and would like to save it, you can name it on the left side of the control panel. Then, using the Save button, we can save it to the dashboard. When we return to the dashboard and navigate to the Output tab, we can select the file that we previously saved and reanalyze it to be brought back to the graph that we previously saved.